Manipurgi saknai film actor Soma Laishram film kumba amadi social function amatada jai ahum yawa yaroi haina thinglapagi matangda state asige film industry da leiba mioi kayana amadi kunai section kayana yaningdaba phongdoknarakre Kanglaipak Kanbaluf 𝐾𝐂 na Soma Laishram bu New Delhi da pangthokiba North East ki mahairoi singi oiba festival amada miyamgi showstopper oina saruk yanaba thaurang tawbada yaudana ba haikibaga loinina haukiba thamari chupna Manipur asi lanthokliba misimina yamna thokliba mai chakliba mafamni haina phongdokibagi ona tainabada thauram aduda saruk yaroi haibagi damangta mangonda athingba asi Lautorakibani Wari Singbun Network na Tadoropa Pau Amagi Matung Inna 𝐾𝐂 na Laurakliba Khongthang Asigi Matangda Manipurgi film Gamari Lenaba Lufum Namaki Apunba Body Film Forum Manipur na Pendaba Phongdoklaki Hari FFM na Hai Hauzik Thorakliba Wafam Asi Wari Sanaduna Loshinaba Honagani Panba Yabadi Hauzik Fawada Manipuri film Chama Yankagi Mathagda Kumkibaga Lonina Mana kaya so masing khangdana fangkraba Somana hai madude magna Delhi gi thoram aduda yaukibagi matangda lana chatnaba ama yaure September 13 ta New Delhi gi Tokatora Stadium da pangthokiba awang nongpoki cultural heritage pu yokhanaba pandamda sinkiba North East Student Festival gi loshinba thoramda mahakna Manipur da Amukta mamangda thokidriba makhalgi irang ase loishinduna ing tapa puraknaba miyamda thamoi sengna appeal tawbagi khudong chaba mafam ama oina sijinnaki haina Soman hai Professional actor ama oina amadi social influencer ama oina Manipurda thokliba irang asigi matangda miyamda wangang hobana asi mahaki tawfam thokpani haina wari singbulda hai FFM amasung Cine Actors Guild Manipur CAGM na hai makoida tongana 𝐾𝐂 na Somabus Delhi gi fashion parade yauhandana ba pautak pina ba hairakpa matamdadi yamna thengmankre numit adumaktada fashion parade adu pangthokpa numit oiramle FFM gi chairman Laimayum Surzakanta Sarman hai magna Somada wari saki adubu mahak thoram aduda yaudana badi haikide maramdi Somana thoram aduda Manipur gi damakta wangangani amadi tangdu leitaba purakna ba appeal tawgani haina hairake
As we celebrate the cultural heritage of Northeast, unfortunately, I can only partake this celebration in spirit. As everyone must be aware, my motherland, my homeland, Manipur, is still burning for the past 4 months. People being shot, people dying, house being burned down, internet banned for 4 months, national media turning a blind eye on us, and also a mother are still sleeping on the street to protect our land. I'm off words now, describing the horror facing in Manipur for the past 4 months. Today, I would like to take the opportunity to raise my voice to all my brothers and sisters of Northeast and also to all my fellow Indians to speak up against the violence happening in Manipur for the past 4 months.
Wrapping of Meitei women on 3rd May. Till now, nobody speaks about it. When an unfortunate incident of 2 women parading naked, we all condemn the situation, we all condemn the incident. Our 𝐺𝐍𝐇 condemn the incident and voice of the victim to be arrested. We even demolished their houses and they were arrested immediately. But why this indifferent with us? Why this indifferent treatment with our Meitei? Where is the justice of our Meitei women? Why everyone is so silent? Ako'y Meitei nupigi di ijat laitraba. Ako'y Meitei nupigi justice. Where is it? This is the first question I would like to ask everyone. And another thing, a young girl of 16 years old, Luang B, was missing since 6 July. But nobody speaks about it. Again, I pray for her safe return and her whereabouts should be found out. Now the government is blaming our 𝐺𝐍𝐇s for not being able to control the situation. Instead of accepting their failure of control the conflict, they blame our 𝐺𝐍𝐇s.
I was shocked and disheartened when I first got the news. Having been an outspoken person from the very start of the violence, I have always been a die-hard supporter of my motherland, Manipur. When I was called to represent Manipur in the Northeast Festival, organized by my home India as a showstopper, I only went in the intention of supporting my state, spreading awareness to the thousands of people present there. That was my only goal.